Drink olive oil on empty stomach, and after days, these 9 incredible benefits will happen to your body. Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something that might seem a little strange. But bear with me. Have you ever heard of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach? You might be surprised to learn that doing so can have some incredible benefits for your body. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you 9 amazing things that can happen to your body if you drink olive oil on an empty stomach. But first, let's talk a little bit about what olive oil actually is. Olive oil is a type of oil that is extracted from the fruit of the olive tree. It has been a staple in the Mediterranean diet for thousands of years and is known for its many health benefits. One of the most interesting ways to consume olive oil is by drinking it on an empty stomach. Here are 9 incredible benefits that can happen to your body if you try it. Before we get into today's video, here's a product you may like: Alpilin. Introducing the powerful weight loss supplement that can help you shed those extra pounds faster than ever before. The product is formulated with natural ingredients that work together to increase your body's core temperature, which can help boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. With regular use, you'll see noticeable results and feel more confident in your body. Plus, the supplement is designed to support your overall health and wellness. Don't wait any longer to start your weight loss journey. Try the supplement today and see the difference for yourself. With the product by your side, your weight loss goals are within reach. If you are interested in Alpilin, click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss out on our latest videos. Helps with digestion. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help to stimulate the production of bile in the liver, which can aid in the digestion of fats. The healthy fats in olive oil can also help to soothe the lining of the digestive tract and reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial for people with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or Crohn's disease. Boosts the immune system. Olive oil contains a variety of nutrients and antioxidants, including vitamin E, beta-carotene, and phenolic compounds, which can help to boost the immune system and reduce inflammation in the body. Some studies have also suggested that olive oil may have anti-cancer properties due to its ability to suppress the growth of cancer cells. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can help to lower the risk of this and other diseases. Lowers cholesterol. High levels of LDL. Bad cholesterol in the blood can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that consuming olive oil can help to lower LDL cholesterol levels while increasing levels of HDL, good cholesterol. Improves brain function. The polyphenols in olive oil can help to improve cognitive function and protect against stage-related cognitive decline. Some studies have also suggested that olive oil may help to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Supports weight loss. The healthy fats in olive oil can help to promote feelings of fullness and reduce cravings, which can be beneficial for people who are trying to lose weight. Some studies have also suggested that consuming olive oil may help to increase metabolism and promote fat burning. Helps to prevent cancer. Olive oil contains a variety of antioxidants and other compounds that can help to protect against cancer. Some studies have suggested that consuming olive oil may help to reduce the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants in olive oil can help to protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays, pollution, and other environmental factors. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help to nourish the skin from the inside out, improving its overall appearance and health. Boosts energy. The healthy fats in olive oil can be a great source of energy for the body. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help to provide a quick boost of energy, making it a great choice for athletes or anyone who needs a little extra fuel to get through the day. So there you have it. 9 incredible benefits that can happen to your body if you drink olive oil on an empty stomach. While it might seem a little strange at first, drinking olive oil can be a great way to improve your health and well-being. As always, it's important to consult with a health professional before making any significant changes to your diet. But if you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost your health, drinking olive oil on an empty stomach might be just what you need. Thanks for watching.